Hello and welcome to my Pentart Playbook series. I'm Shannon from Pick and Booze Vintage, and what I'm going to do is each month I'm going to show you a different set of Pentart products and describe how to use them.
Pentart Gem Glue.
Pentart Gem Glue. It's a water-based glue that ensures a strong bond for gluing gems or glass beads onto porous surfaces. The glue will dry transparent. After you glue your beads on, all you need to do is either hit it with the glue gun and heat up the glue, or you can flip your design inside out and iron it for 30 seconds on the cotton settings. That way you can wash them. Now, you do want to make sure you just put it in a gentle cycle, but you can wash them. Now, it has a fine tip, so it can be easily used to draw whatever you want on a shirt or however you want to use it. You can do polka dots, you can do a heart, you can write words. It's a great glue, especially when you want to glue gems or beads or something onto a surface. You can see here I used it on furniture, and I did glue on some pearls. After I let them dry, I did use a heat gun to make sure that they're going to stay. Now, I'm not going to wash this, but I just figured that if it's going to make the bond better for fabric, it should make my bond better for furniture.